Hello guys, good day sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kami ulit ni Briton sa range. Maghanap po kami ng hello.
YouTube again.
Dito kami sa sa range. Maghanap po kami ng ng bed mattress kasi yung bed mattress namin, guys. Oh, it look nice. Distract na naman na kami. Bibili kami ng bed mattress at saka ng curtains. Naka-measure na po si Briton ng curtains, blind curtains para sa aming kitchen. Yan po yung main purpose namin. Nandito kami sa range. Ayan si Briton. Yung kusina namin hindi pa tapos, guys, kasi kailangan pa i-plaster yung ceiling at saka put a new flooring. Tapos yung around the window i-plaster pa siya, guys. So mineasure it ni Briton yung size ng aming two windows. So parang wooden effect po yung yung bibili ni Briton. Ayan yata. Tapos magtingin-tingin po kami, baka mayroon pa kami makitang design. They got loads of here, babe. I don't like the plastic eh. Ay, sige, tingin ta. Look this one. They got sample on it. It look nice, no? Ayan, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, they got light color as well. Like that?
Yeah.
Oo, sige, doon. Yeah, because the paint is like a lighter in it. Yeah, that's fine. Ayan, naka-uniform pa si Briton. Nilagyan niya lang ng jumper yung kanyang top.
Sideways ones?
It's okay as well.
They're the same job, isn't it?
Yeah. It's up to you what.
Oh, because those ones, it's just up or down, isn't
Yes,
it? Those
yeah.
are the ones you can
Like that only.
side to side. So,
Yeah. End of the day, it's up to you what do you want. Pupunta naman kami sa bed section, guys. May napili na kaming gusto namin. Nice, no? Ayan, oh, bed. Ang ganda, oh. It's bit low, no? Only mattress. Tapos meron pa dito, guys, oh.
that's the bed. 103.
Ay, no, it's not comfy.
Yeah.
Matigas. I think that one, that's quite good. Feel that. Lie down. That's alright. Ayan, guys, kasi yung aming mattress na bed, talaga na ako, naiinitan ako. Ang ganda naman ito. Wala, ang ganda. Magkano kaya ito? ayos na ayos to sa Pilipinas. Tignan nyo naman. Ayan. Tapos yung kanilang ano, oh. Ang ganda ng chair nila, oh. Pang ano, oh. Babe, I like their chair. Pang ano. Pang ano ba? Magkano kaya yung ano, gaming chair nila? Ang ganda ng gaming chair nila, guys, oh. 199, oh. So, three things we need to get here in the mattress. Oh, but it's okay that one in as well. Magkano doon? Yeah. Oo. Okay din, oh. Pupunta pa kami sa isang lugar, mga kaibigan. Ayan. Mahilig din kasi si Brito ng mga mirror, guys. Where you gonna put the mirror, babe? Dining area. Ang maganda kasi dito, guys, sa ano, sa range. O, tingnan nyo, guys. Oo. Ayan o, the other one. The one, no. Yeah. I prefer the one is look like rustic. But the measurement in it.
Yeah.
But remember, what we can looking here just only. only ano.
For the toilet?
Maganda yung kanilang mga picture frame dito. No?
Well, that's cool. That's something.
Oo.
That'd look good on the fence outside.
Yeah. It's nice to get the like a picture frame for the lounge, no? I don't know why, babe. I really like those kind of stuff. It's like modern but
Yeah.
unique in it.
It's good. There's some nice ones in that.
Oo. Ang dami, guys. Magaganda yung mga design dito sa range, mga kaibigan. You know, by the dining area, that wall, that empty wall.
Yeah. We're gone for that.
Yeah. For your allotment, babe.
No, outside.
Outside.
Fence outside.
In your gazebo.
Facing the kitchen. That's cool.
Oo.
So that,
Oh, nice, no? 39 pound only for the dining area. Nice, no?
Yeah.
You want to get that one?
Not right now.
Not right now. Maganda siya, guys, oh. Kasi may mga pebbles. Oh. 40 pound siya. Yan ang gusto ni Briton. Pero gusto ko yung mga ano, parang blue ba? Yung kanina nakita namin. Ayan. Nandoon na si Briton, oh. Ayan. Pero babalik pa kami dito kasi mayroon pa kaming ano, titingnan na ano, sa mattress. Ayan. Parang ano, no? Cannock chase na.
Huh.
Marami dito mabibili, mga picture frame. Ayan, oh. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Hintayin lang natin si Briton muna. Maghahanap tayo dito ng mga, titingnan. Hindi tayo gagastos dito. Blinds lang. Tapos, may nagustuhan kaming, mga kaibigan. May nagustuhan kaming bed mattress. Ang bango naman ito, eucalyptus. A lemon. Magaganda talaga yung mga design dito ng range. Sandalwood na kandila. Ang bango naman ito. £3.99. Ito, sandalwood na diffuser. Ang bango. Ano to? Parang mabango to ah. Yan. Magaganda yung kanilang design, no? Ayan mga dito. Diffuser. Gusto ko yung sandalwood. Mabango. Mga candles naman dito, guys.
Can I have a member of staff from Iceland to customer service, please?
You want like that? That grey colour. Is that similar to the cupboards?
Oo.
Yeah?
More, maybe, yeah. I don't know.
Well,
Yeah.
we'll go look at Jizik first then. I'll take a picture of that one.
Oh, nag-change na ng mind si Briton, guys. Ito na lang daw, parang wooden style siya. Na dark gray. Para sa aming kitchen window.
Well, these are not too heavy either because it's like
Oo.
PVC stuff.
Oo, sige, sige. Yan na lang daw. Yung Venetian blind.
Prices on that one. Does it say?
Venetian blind. Ayan o, di ka price. Dito.
That's only $12.99.
It depends the materials, babe. It's
Yeah,
different
this one.
materials.
This one? This material?
Yeah, this one you look at is like different materials, similar to
Same.
the same.
PVC Venetian one.
Ah,
120 by 152 is $12.99.
Okay. Ayan na lang daw ang kunin ni Briton. So, punta muna kami sa kabila, guys. Tapos update ko kayo.
Contender, yeah?
Oo. Ayan. Punta muna kami sa kabila, guys. Magtingin kami ng bed. So, out muna kami dito sa range. I-update ko na lang po kayo pag nandoon na kami sa kabila. Get your gist. Disc.
Yes, man.
Ayan, guys, nandito na kami sa isang outlet.
We'll go over there now.
Yan, dyan kami pupunta sa Jysk. JYSK.
Is it Scandinavian or something?
Oo.
Get in this way. Oh, we've got to go all the way bloody round.
Ayan o, you can
Oh,
car
hell
park.
to the no. It's going to reverse in there.
Ayan guys. Ang ganda naman ng sasakyan na to. BMW. Ayan guys.
I haven't been in it for a long time.
May is 3 years.
Yeah.
3 years. Ayan guys. Dito na kami sa GYSK. Ayan. Pasok tayo dito. Magaganda din dito yung kanilang mga ano guys, mga furniture. Tingnan. Ganda ng furniture nila. I think is upstairs yung kanilang mattress. Dito tayo. Last time downstairs their mattress. Dito na. Ayun dun sa kabila. Maganda tong ano padala sa Pilipinas. Memory foam. Ang mahal ng mga memory foam nila. Ayaw namin ng memory foam guys. Kasi yung bed namin mas mainit na yun. Some memory foam is good for your back. Some memory foam are too hot. Yung memory foam namin sa bed namin, sa bedroom namin, sobrang init guys, naiinitan ako. Yeah. At yeah, oo, that's alright. Ang ganda ng mga cabinets nila dito. Ayan, mga cabinets nila, ang ganda. Kaso lang hindi siya masyado matibay yata. The open plan. Ang nice oh. For shoes oh. Ito yung gusto ko yung ano na shoes. Ayan oh. You know when you go upstairs, I like to put something there to put the shoes. That's alright there in upstairs.
Upstairs.
But it's a bit fancy no?
You have to screw to the wall.
Yeah, this one is quite big, babe. It's nice. We can put our shoes there then.
You got that many shoes.
Nice. Oh. That's a shoes as well. Oh, sure ako. 55 pound. I just want it low, not too high.
Yeah.
Ay, that one oh. That one.
Yeah.
No, ideal no? Ano lang siya, 40 pound na siya guys. Ayan. And then,
You get 3 pairs of shoes across there.
you know the shoes that by the stairs we can put on there, and then we remove the shoes from the door then.
What? For upstairs on the landing?
Oo.
You're still gonna have at least 1 pair of shoes on the floor when you come in, aren't you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, but all them shoes. Do we need all them shoes that are there to the right?
Most of my shoes.
Huh?
Mostly it's my shoes.
We just like put in a bag somewhere, put in a box. Out the way.
I'm gonna declutter.
Get one of the big plastic tubs and just put in that out the way. Yeah.
Oh, babe. We're not gonna buy anything furniture now.
Well,
That's what I'm thinking.
That's ridiculous.
Sorry guys. We try
Yeah, if we
to.
didn't have the radiator where it is,
Yeah.
on the stairs, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Oo, no? Nice, no?
Yeah.
Ang ganda niya. Kasi you can hang the coat. The only thing we can put is by the dining area.
Yeah, but it'd be like a bit daft in the living room, wouldn't it?
Maganda siya sa ano talaga, hallway. Because you can hang your coat and also you can put the shoes. Shoe storage po yan. Ayan, ang ganda. 125 lang siya. Ang ganda. There are similarity of IKEA as well. This one, guys. Ayan. Klarna. Ayan, available in Klarna.
Huh?
To hang your stuff.
Instead of a wardrobe, just that.
I don't know.
Yeah. You don't know.
Remember, we're declaring. We're not putting
Yeah,
up more stuff.
You have to get rid of the wardrobe.
Magaganda siya, guys. Yung mga ano nila.
Big wardrobe. Is that shelves on the inside?
Yeah, put all your stuff then, no? Ayan, guys. Travel. £9 na lang, oh. For travel, no?
You've got to carry it because it takes up space in your bag, doesn't it?
Oo.
Unless you get an inflatable one.
Oo. Mga ano na dito, oh. Babe, the pillows. £13, oh.
Well, you have pillows in the range, isn't it?
Oo. Yung binili namin last time na pillow sa range, hindi gusto ni Britton. Siya man yung pumili. Ayan. Maganda bumili yung mga ganito pa.
You got.
Ah?
You don't like that pillow.
You said you don't like that one, ini?
I've got used to it now.
Ah, you used to it now.
Yeah.
Oh. Maganda mga ganito pang ano. Balikbayan box ba? Ayan, oh, okay naman siya, oh, £10 each. Maganda siya, oh. £15. Magkano? Ito, okay naman siya, oh. Ang maganda dito, guys, ito, totoo. Yung kanilang foam mattress. £37.
You think this one?
They got foam mattress as well, babe, oh.
You think this one?
Ayan. Ang ganda nito, oh. Ang ganda ng upuan na to, ha. Nagbayad na si Britton. We sitting up na?
Yeah.
Oo. Ayan. Ay, nako. Hala. Ayan na. Nakabili na si Berto ng kanyang ano pillow. Babalik na ibigan sa ano sa range ulit. Kunin na namin yung ano, yung blinds doon at saka yung order na namin yung air mattress. Ayan.
It's not air mattress, it's sprung.
Sprung.
Sprung mattress.
Sprung mattress daw.
It's not foam.
Sprung mattress. Yung mattress namin sa aming bedroom, foam yon, memory foam, is good for the back. Kaso lang, ang ayaw na ayaw ko doon, yung sobra, umiinit yung katawan ko, guys. Hindi ako makatulog. Instead, you sleep comfortably. Naiinitan ako, balisa talaga ako. I always keep turning. Nadidisturbo ko si Breton sa pagtulog.
I think I woke up this morning because my nose is all blocked up.
Oh, but I keep turning, babe. I keep turning. Hindi talaga ako comfortable sa bed na yan. Kahit noon. Mainit. Naiinitan ako. I keep warm. My body is like... parang binabarbecue ako, guys. Mainit.
Barbecue.
Oo. So, sabi ko, bibili tayo ng different mattress. Ilalagay na lang namin yung mattress na yun sa spare bedroom namin. Kasi wala naman natutulog doon. Ayan. Babalik kami doon ulit. Pagbalisa pa naman ako, guys, hindi talaga ako makatulog talaga. So, malapit man lang yung range. Ayan ang masasakyan. Next time, bili tayo ng sasakyan. Next time, we're gonna buy a car. Next time. Utang.
Drive this till it falls to bits.
Utang. Puno ng utang.
1 year left.
Oh. 1 year left na lang daw. 1 year left na lang daw, guys. Excited na talaga umuwi si Breton sa Pilipinas.
Uno más. Uno más.
Uno mas.
Uno más. One more.
Uno mas ka dyan. Malapit na. Kunting tiis na lang. Kunting tiis na lang kami. Kayod. Ayan, guys, update ko na lang po kayo sa range. Ayan, ito po yung dinadaanan namin. Ayan, second time pagbalik ng range ulit. Ay, second time. Balik kami ulit dito, guys. Ayan, babayaran na namin yung blinds. At least nakabili na kami ng pillow. Pag ako, mga kaibigan, ay nagbabakasyon, talagang hindi mo talaga maiwasan, gagastos ka talaga, mga kaibigan. Gumagastos talaga doon. Ayan. Gagastos. Kukunin ni Breton yan, mga kaibigan. So, ikot muna ako dito. May kukunin ako, may bibilhin ako dito kasi palitan ko yung toaster namin. Kasi matagal na to talagang toaster namin, guys. Ay, hanap tayo ng toaster. Alam ko ayaw ni Breton yung toaster. Alam, cute naman to ng rice cooker nila, oh. Ang liit lang. Sana ba yung rice cooker dito nila? Hanap tayo ng toaster. Ay, bakit dito? Ano to? Bakit nakasira to? I'm sorry. Siguro ito na lang ang liit ng toaster na yan, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Papiliin natin si Breton kung anong klaseng toaster. Balik tayo doon kay Breton. Ayan na po, guys. May upgrade toaster na din kami. Magbabayad na po kami ni Breton. Ayan, bumalik kami dito sa range kasi babayaran na po namin yung blinds at saka toaster. Tapos mag-ikot-ikot muna kami. Pag wala kaming makitang mattress sa aming bed, babalikan naman namin ulit dito kasi pangalawang beses na po namin bumalik dito sa range. Kung wala kami makitang mattress, balik ulit dito. Ayan. Babalik na lang kami dito ulit guys kasi may bibilin pa kaming bin. Ayan, okay naman tong bin na to. I-measure lang muna namin yung bin. Naka-clearance na kasi siya. Ayan. Bit na Ninoy Breton. Pag nagbakasyon ka talaga, hindi mo talaga asahan na magagastos ka. Ayan. Gumastos na naman. Ang lamig. Hindi pa na ni Breton yung kanyang sasakyan guys, oh. Ayan guys, we're abandoned the ship. We're not going to other store na. Pauwi na kami daw kasi na din. School traffic din mga kaibigan. So, bukas na lang kami babalik ulit, magtingin-tingin or online shopping sa mattress guys. Pag wala kami nagustuhan, ayan, balikan namin doon sa range. Ayan lang ang may share namin for today ni Breton. Ang sadya ay kitchen window blinds na bili namin, pero yung mattress hindi. Sa aming bed nakabili kami ng pillow. Tapos nakabili kami ng toaster. So ayan lang po guys ang aming agenda for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung aming video for today, please pa-like, pa-share, and comment and subscribe na din po. At huwag kalimutan po mag-bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa aming mga kaganapan this week sa aming channel page ni Breton. So ayan mga kaibigan, uwian time na. Thank you for watching guys. Take care and God bless everyone. Keep safe always mga kaibigan. Ayan, ito po yung dinadaanan namin. Shortcut. Rich house po yan dyan guys, oh. So ayan guys, uwi na kami. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.